Another stress is salt stress. The water stress caused due to high concentration of salts or solids in the external medium is called salt stress. This is the general definition of what is salt stress. Water stress caused due to high concentration of salts or solids in the external medium, that is salt stress. Salts and solids, they highly influence water potential and in very high concentration causes toxicity to the plant. The water stress due to salt concentration causes osmotic imbalance, closure of stomata due to the formation of ABA, abscisic acid. Also ion imbalance and toxicity by accumulating ions. So these are the effects of increased salt concentration in the cell. It also affects nitrogen metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism, growth, and action of several enzymes. When concentration of organic solids becomes very high in the cytoplasm, it performs two important roles. Concentration of organic solids, when it becomes very high in the cytoplasm, then the thing performs two important roles. First is maintenance of osmotic balance, and second, it protects enzymes of metabolisms essential for life. At high salinity, quantity of certain amino acids like proline, glycine, and some sugars like sucrose increases several fold. Proline helps in increasing solubility of proteins, and sucrose helps in protecting isolated chloroplast against injury. On the basis of sensitivity of salt concentration, the plants are classified into two groups as halophytes and glycophytes. Plants growing in saline habitats, call them as halophytes. Plants growing in saline habitats are halophytes. They adapt themselves to high salt concentration in soil by developing some of the features. And plants growing in saline habitats are called glycophytes. These glycophytes, they possess either no or very limited ability to adapt themselves to salt stress. Here on the screen you can see the plant's response during ion uptake and during non-ion uptake. There is effect of salt stress on some of the physiological processes like maintenance of water potential, then enzyme activity on the closing and opening of stomata. There is effect on nitrogen metabolism, also on mineralization and ion imbalance. And also on accumulation of waste products of disturbed metabolism. First and foremost, we will discuss related with the maintenance of water potential. Concentration of salts in the external medium causes water stress and osmotic imbalance in protoplast. Excess ions penetrate the cytoplasm and walls and causes water deficiency in protoplasts, which produces adverse effects like decrease in carbon dioxide fixation. Salts can damage the enzymes that can control metabolic processes which are necessary to continue life. Important adaptation seen in water stress plants is the appearance and accumulation of certain organic solids like amino acids, for example proline and glycine, and also sucrose, which lowers the osmotic potential. Thus, water potential in the cell is maintained without limiting enzyme function. Such organic solids, they are called as compatible solids, and such compatible solids are reported in the cells of many xerophytic plants during water stress. The resulting drop in osmotic potential due to newly appeared organic solids is called osmotic adjustment, or also called as a osmoregulation. This osmoregulation results due to presence of excess dissolved salts in the soil solution. The osmotic potential of soil solution becomes negative, which causes diffusion of water from the tissues into solution. The water stress enduring plants can survive in higher concentration without damaging the metabolic enzymes. So here we have seen the effect of salt stress on maintenance of water potential and enzyme activity. In case of mesophytic plants, water stress affects enzyme activities. During water stress, certain enzymes like phenylalanine ammonia lyase, briefly it is called as a PAL, P-A-L, phenylalanine ammonia lyase. So during water stress condition, this enzyme, which is required for synthesis of flavonoids and amino acids, and another enzyme, nitrate reductase, which is required for reduction of nitrate to nitrite during nitrogen metabolism. So both these enzymes show decreased activity, while in these mesophytic plants this thing happens, while enzyme like alpha amylase and ribonuclease show increased activities. During water stress condition, this thing happen in mesophytic plants. It was proposed that such enzymes help in breakdown of starch and other complex materials to make the osmotic potential negative of the cell. It is an adaptation to endure salt stress, and it is called osmotic adjustment.